Alright, so you have a website and you want to see how you can take advantage of the funnels to get more from your website. So there is a few ways that you can do that, and it really depends on what you're trying to do with your website in the first place. So if you're not selling, then you most likely you want to get more calls or people to sign up for to contact you via the forms or something like that. So one way would be to build a lead generation funnel. So let's say that you have already a page which is contact me please, the book now one that is button is going there. So this is, for example, the page, and you can actually add this this page into a funnel. And why would you want to do that? With that, you can actually see how many people visited that page. You can split test it if you want to, and you can lead to a thank you page after it, so you can see how many people went from one page to another. And you can optimize for lead generation. You can split test, you can try different things and get better results. So let me show you how you can do that very simply. So you can create an empty funnel, which is, let's say, book now, book appointment, and it is an empty one. So what you can do now is you can go to your pages and you can see the contact me today. You can just move it to a funnel and select the book an appointment and click on move. Now we've moved your page into a funnel. Now you can see all the amazing things that you've done. You can do with the funnels, which is A/B testing. You can add a thank you page, for example, such as, let's say, something like, I don't know, thank you for contacting us, or yeah, anything like that. This is for orders mainly, but you can obviously modify the text to say anything that you want. Let's say like this, and we've added it to a funnel, and all you have to do is just modify what it says. Thank you for contacting us. So just like that, you've created a funnel for lead generation, and all you have to do is connect it here to the button. So from the funnel section, select book an appointment. And just like that, now your site, when somebody previews it and they try to book you now, they'll be redirected to the funnel, and there you can do A/B testing. When they fill the form, they'll be led to the thank you page, and here you'll be able to track all the different amazing things, such as how much you're converting, how many people went from step A to step B, from step 1 to step 2, and set goals and different types of things, just like that. This is one way you can utilize the funnels. If you're selling, obviously, you can do even more. If you're trying to sell a product, let's say this is a yoga course, so you can simply add, buttons that are going to a special funnel for each one of the different classes that you have. So let's say that you're just adding a button that will lead to a funnel, and you can create a funnel here for a course explaining the services of this course, what kind of perks you have, or you can lead straight to purchasing a subscription or anything that you want to do. So you can, we don't have a funnel for yoga per se, but if you're trying to sell, I don't know, lead generation, whatever it is that you, just for the sake of the example, let's say that this is a yoga course, you can just name it yoga. Obviously you can edit your funnel the way you want, with your yoga images, with your information, to fit anything that you want to do, with really nice call to actions. And all you have to do is just link from your call to actions to your yoga funnel. And why would you want to do that? Because you can actually see how each class is performing. You can have actually, when you do some kind of campaigns, you can straight send the traffic into your funnel for one of the classes and see how it is performing, how many checkouts you have there. So you can obviously optimize for that. how many people signed up for something. Whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, it's a lot easier with funnels, because you can track easily, you can convert more, and you can sell a lot faster than using the e-commerce, because the e-commerce you have cards, you have multiple steps, and with the checkout, like I showed you, for example, here you can add a checkout step, and just with one click you can start collecting payments. Checkout, and yeah, this can be your second step, and there you can obviously enter your information about the yoga course and collect the payment right away. You don't have to send them through so many steps and lose them. So this is one amazing new way. Obviously you can hide the header and footer so it doesn't distract people. So you can do amazing things like that. It converts times better than having cards, and it's straight to the point, and as you can see, it's very pretty and optimized for sales exactly. So these are the main two ways that you can use the funnels into your website. You kind of integrating them in there. Obviously they can be standalone funnels as well for different types of campaigns, or as part of your website. And third way can be that you can use them as kind of as a bridge between a page and something else, so you can see how it actually performs. You can do A/B testing, see what kind of converts from one let's say campaign to another. You can do that with the funnel, because it has the power of A/B testing, the power of the conversions like I showed you, all these cool things that you can utilize in any possible way. So yeah, these are the few ways that you can use funnels, integrating into your website or just as standalone type of funnels. And obviously we have all sorts of different designs for anything. We're adding constantly new and new designs, and of course you can add your own just like that. With a few clicks you can just build your steps. As you can see, we have countless page designs for any purpose, countless pop-up designs as well, and you can tailor in a few minutes your own completely unique funnel for your needs exactly. So yeah, these are just a few ways how you can do that. Yeah, if you have any questions, just let us know.